In my college days, I'd always bug my friends heading to Italy for Armani Exchange tea. But hey, thanks to AJIO, those days are over. So Ninad, I was checking out Armani on AJIO and it got me thinking, how many Armanis are out there really?
First one is Giorgio Armani, which is also the name of the founder. So Giorgio Armani deals with high-end products and it's a timeless classic. Second comes Emporio Armani, which deals with young professionals. It also has an athleisure and sportswear sub-label, which is ES7. And then comes Armani Exchange. It's more of youth, it's more of style-oriented and trendsetters and people who like the street culture vibes.
Who was in the spotlight for Armani's Exchange fashion choices?
So as per my opinion, it is for millennials who are looking for a bite of luxury and also like to be updated with the current trends.
I want to give something special to someone special. Recommend something for me.
Okay, so if that someone special is a guy, you can go for t-shirts or belts. And if that someone special is a girl, you can go for the super comfy jeans or the classy handbags.
So Ninad, tell me about your favorite pieces from Armani Exchange that you consider your prized possessions.
I have a cap which can pair it with any outfit and a sweatshirt which is a go-to pick for any outfit. It's not every day like a brand like Armani Exchange gives you a minimum 40% off. Go shop on AJIO.
See you in the next one, folks. Stay tuned.